it loads, it will bring you to a page like this. Now you see something like you see this sell and the buy button, you see them, but in case if you can't see them, you should click on this. Either you should click on this one, this thing at the top, click on it to bring this two sell and buy buttons down, like it will bring them up. So if I say you should buy, so for beginners, this is where you'll be inputting your lot size. So for beginners, mostly you can either use 0.1 or 0.01. now if you use 0.1, it means for every move the market makes, you'll be making what, $1. And if you use 0.01, it means for every move the market make, you'll be making $0.1, or you'll be losing $0.1 for every move the market makes. So you should learn to use this wisely. Don't use it anyhow, because it will determine how much you make and how much you'll be losing. So guys, so let's say for example I want to use 0.1 and I want to buy this market. Now if I click on buy, it will buy. So now it will buy, it has bought the market for me. So if you click on this trade down button, like this down button, if you see a trade, if you click on it, it will bring you to this space. You see your positions and how much you are making, like the trades you are taking, how much you are making. This is how much you are making or you are losing, and this is your balance. This is your balance, and this is your equity. Equity means your balance and how much you are making or you are losing. If you add them together, to give you your equity. So if you come here now, let's say for example you've opened a position and you want to edit it. If you just slide it, just click slide it to the right or to the left, just slide it and it will bring some option out. Now if you want to edit the position, you click on this pencil button. If you click on this pencil button, it will edit. Then you input your what, SL means stop loss. I'll give you the stop values, the SL values. Let's say I want to put 2659 for example, 2659.59 for example. That is my stop loss, and then the second one is my take profit. Let's say I want to put 2869.98. I'll give you the values in case if you are in my group. I'll give you the values. Then you click on what, you click on modify, and it change the positions for you. So if you go back to the charts, this chart you are seeing now, if you click on it, it will take you back to the charts. So you see your positions, you can see your positions you are having. If you click on it, to give you how much you'll be making. So this is my TP, so show me how much I'll be making. That's my TP. My TP is above, this is TP. If you see TP, so it is telling me I'll be making $12 on this position. I'm making $12 on this position. And then that's another way of editing your position. If you want to do it another way again, just click on this blue line you are seeing, this blue line, your position where you bought. Click on it, just click on it. If you click on it, it will bring this thing at the bottom of your screen. This thing, you see SL and you see what, TP. SL is what, is your stop loss, and your TP is what, is your take profits. So if I click on SL, it will take me to where my stop loss is. If I click on SL, it will bring it up. So let's say my S, you can drag it to the level you want to do. That's, let's say I want to drag it to 2859. So if I click on that, let me start over. If I click on that blue line, I'll click on SL. If I click on SL, I'll then drag it to the level I want. Then I'll click on my take profits. Then I'll I'll drag it to the level I want. Let's say my take profit is here and my stop loss is here. So I'll just click on this blue line you are seeing, this blue button. I'll click on it, and then I'll click on what? Click on modify. So what if I want to close my position? I'll go back to the trade section. I'll click on trade. I'll drag this, or maybe I'll just use the three dots button you are seeing. these three dots buttons here. See these three dots, and then click on it. I'll click on it, and then what? Click on close all positions. Then now my position is closed, and that's that. It's very easy, like to trade and to use the MetaTrader. But before you begin, you need to like add a broker. I'll talk more about that. So guys, that's that. This is just how to like take trades on MT5.